process na they check, they follow the Kempinski, and then they check, and revise. Okay? Keep po na to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ang one bedroom is still included in the 5, and then they check, and then we revise. Now, ano ang pinaka-updated? That's the more updated na plan. Ang bedroom is outside of what's now. Ano ang ibang ko ganina? If nandun sa Kempinski, follow Kempinski.
So yung siksik na mo, isa pa ka
Yes.
one standard up.
Now, if you follow this one, yung 5 module with master bedroom, and then additional na room, okay din. Because that's ang nangyari sa process. Yeah. Okay? Clear na tayo doon?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last.
Sir, yung security bedroom, hindi mo yan siya makonsider as one module. Kahit na pag ganyan, hindi siya makonsider.
Because this one is actually a module for a wing. A wing na room. Ilalim na.
So, dili mo.
Sabi ko maliit, di ba? Huwag ka naman.
Buti niyo doon.
Okay? Most updated one is this one. Meron siyang connecting with the standard na room. Basically, ang nangyari dito is
Ay, mag-powder ko.
one connect with the other one. Pwede na tayo maglagay ng door dito. Door should be inside the
Gets ko man, huwag ka na mag-iyak.
Clear?
Clear.
Clear. Now, let's go sa ground. Ground is a I don't know how to describe the ground. Sige, sa floor muna tayo before we proceed sa ground para ma-understand nyo ang kwan sa kunin yung close sa updated na plan. Lower ground is Okay, I'll be starting talking about higher na floor, the most, I think, yeah, companies. So, ang discussion natin ngayon from top to ground and then lower ground, okay? Now, why we are doing this? Because ayoko maulit yung question, sir, ano itsura na standard? Ano itsura na ganyan? I don't want to hear that one anymore, ha? Mag-anan ako sa inyong table because already we have discussed it. Gusto ko mangyari is that ask me question na wala pa natin na-discuss. Okay? To tell you frankly, that's what I stated sa katungakuan, katong M1, because I discussed and then napangutanan na siya sa table. Sir, sa ganitong one, I don't want that to happen, okay? At least avoid that. And wasting time. Even ganit ka ng loss, because you are here na the same day, Bakit ang total di alam ng loss? Okay, so okay, let's talk about the lower roof. Okay, lower roof tayo. Lower roof and start up again.
Bago kasi, bago pa. Extend ako pa pa.
Okay, dito tayo. Up floor. This one is a mechanical floor. Wala kayo makita already ang set. This one is the BMU, which is the building maintenance unit. Function niya is to clean the facade. Anything na maintenance on the facade, dito siya i-gamiton. It's a cradle that it can reach every side of the facade. Kasi kung wala ito, kung makita niyo mga building dyan, itay itong mga nag-ayos sa facade. Okay? And that's a very difficult or very dangerous na pag-itayo yung clean ng facade. So, I think there is a law na it would require you sa mga building with a certain amount of facade ang kinanglan reviewan siya na schedule. Hindi siya pwede mabiyaan na walang cooling fuel. Okay? Na schedule na. So that's why they need to really install this one. I want you to really, I think, gusto na ko i-appeal niya siya. Although it's very technical, but try to consider this one always when you're doing a high-rise na building. Okay? Or mid-rise, I think. Now ang one, for sure. Ano siya? Specs ang Now, before you can specify, ito kasi ang mapili actually is the architect who will choose this one. Kaya ganyan mong makita niya sa imong facade. And then ang architect, pilit na gusto kayo makita niya na treatment. Okay? That's why tagang kag chance sa mga engineers kung ikaw mapili ani. Kaya ikaw may napabaw sa extremities ng imong facade. Asa dapat ang glass, asa ang solid, asa dapat ang hindi accessible, saan ang dili reach sa mga linaw. The key of choosing this one is after you kasi side, look for it. Kung sa iyang reach, dito na. Iyang boom, iyang jig, asa siya maka-reach sa 20 meters watt, 10 meters, 15, para maka-identify sa mga okay? Here and go. Then most of these bulky kayo siya tanawang sa facade. If dili siya ma-plaster, ma-park, o karong, bulky kayo sa facade. Really ruin the facade. Okay, ano siya yung way. Some of this one, katong mga gagmay lang a version, you will have this parapet na iyang rail. Yes.
Sir, sa roof deck, di ba yan siya, sir?
Roof deck. Ito ang and then the rest of the floor, dito na mo ilagay yung lahat. Any equipment that would be required by MEP, especially yung sa mechanical, dito yan siya. Dito yan sa roof.
Required yan, sir, no? May palagay mo sa amin.
Yes, yes. Kasi ikaw ang pili.
Pati ang dimensions yan, sir, include namin like gaano kataas yung para
Try to give lang sa inyo ang part. Ito yung range yung okay. Sir, may minimum ba yan? Kami bahala. Isa lang niya siya ha, hindi niya siya tatlo. Ibutangan niya siya ang concept. Dagandagan na niya.
ay, yung ganyan, sir, nag-ikot yan, sir, or ano siya, like,
Nag-ikot na siya.
no, yung ano, sir, ba, yung parang railing, sir,
Oh, ikot.
Hindi, sir, yung parang train, di ba siya? May ending yan siya doon or connected? Connected yan or hindi?
Ikot.
Hindi mo ba siya? Ano?
Okay. I think there are many images sa internet na showing some structures of prevention. Okay. I think sa slide na ako utang na ano siya. Okay. Now, okay, now we're talking about yung the next to the one, below the top roof. Ito is, we call this one as a lower roof. Still we have the core, continue. Dito mag-stop ang elevator by the way. Bigyan na yung mga sa roof. Okay? The way to access the roof is merong ladder papunta doon. Okay? This one is the last one door accessible by the elevator. Now, and then on top of this, now, dun sa question niya, Jessica, is that you will be required to continue your fire exit stairs kung ang area ng roof deck mo is kung na siya. But there is a certain floor area ng roof deck na pwede lang siya ladder. Okay? It depends on the floor area. Now, okay. So this one, ang gamit nito is a specialty restaurant sa roof deck. Some of you have proposed ng restaurant doon sa top na floor, which is acceptable naman siya sa 5-star na requirement. Pwede dito sa
Naku.
tuwan na kayo yung okay. If you remember, nag-add me o service elevator just for the food. Okay? Ito yun. At sabihin, wala kayo nag-add na service elevator for a food only. Pero, kanino God, nani siya requirement na this one directly connected siya by function sa main kitchen sa ilalim. Okay? This one is a specialty restaurant, meaning in a 5-star hotel, dili ka paanin diri unless otherwise kay reservation gikan pa sa ilang kaadlaw, okay, or from the reception. So you need to pass the reception before ka makain diri. Okay, and then directly connected to the main kitchen, remember that? And then there is a toilet. This one is the kitchen. Okay, so as a standard, how to lay out the kitchen. Important is you know the flow and how to lay out the kitchen. Okay, ito yung kitchen, support kitchen towel ito, but because the main kitchen is in the lower ground. I think, yeah, lower ground or ground. Okay, and okay, just a quick lang na going here. There's an entrance to the kitchen here. There's a cold storage. Ito yung lutuan. I think, chiller, and then dishwash. Important to consider this one. On kitchen planning, ayaw yun siya na intersection ang hugaw o pagkaon. Notice this one, ito is meron siyang dishwashing tray. Drop ang dish, hugasan, and then store ang liquid, and then go out. Hindi siya pwede na same lang ang iyang way. Okay? Other kitchen, lahi ang door papunta sa clean na side. storage, and then Bluetooth, then storage again. This one is the prep area. Mag-bake na sila, and then pwede na siya i-serve. Try to look sa naman sa uniform, building standards, ay nga ni mga okay? Okay, let's start with this restaurant. Okay, restaurant, there is a bar. There's a bar dito. And then, one thing about this one, if you are attending, planning to have a specialty restaurant, how you choose the furniture is very important. Okay? Dili siya agnak ng furniture. Okay, so it is really meron kang motors. I think you're very familiar with this one. In the fast food areas, the seating, and then there's something like meeting, and then one eating, and then there is on this part, meron terrace dito. It is used as a spot dining. Notice how many seats dito. Madami. That's why ang food nito, meron siyang support kitchen para yung raw material ikan dun sila and then transfer it. Okay, dito na siya tutuon, dito, etc. And then meron siyang okay, so this is the last floor accessible by the lift by the lift. Now, notice here there is a room. This will change. Yung room na to will change in the lower floor. This one is a smart TV room. It is for the TV and so on. And service corridor. Service lift lobby. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, eto na lobby na to is intended for all yung ugaw, sura, pilinin, and so on. Dito na siya. And there is an electrical room which is, what I told you na around 2 by 2.5, 2 by 3. And because ang ilalim nito, there's already a telephone room. No, this will act as a telephone room na rin. Okay? And then electrical room sa gilid. Okay, and then, very important, don't forget this one. Any service na housekeeper na floor, nasa pabilihin niyang toilet. Hindi siya pwede magamit sa toilet ng guests. Any public toilet. Namin siya kailangan pabilihin. Okay, kasi malimitan na yun. Take out, you know? Right there, and then the other areas is for MEP. We'll be discussing this one separately. I want to focus now on the hotel areas too. And meron siyang public restroom for the specialty restaurant. Either accessible from the corridor or from the inside. Okay? In the beginning of this one, I remember gusto na mo accessible siya sa outside. And then it turns out pwede ka na ang toilet is makita niyo siya sa dining area ba. So we want the guests to go outside para mag-gamit the toilet. But in the end, it is found out na mas favorable ang nasa sulod. And Ang entrance lang sa toilet daw. Okay? Okay, so we'll try to discuss yung escorts ano. I think lower ito is 13th floor. We have this one. Okay, penny. Now, unsa yung mix sa Royal Suite? Unsa nga type of rooms? Yung mix. Ha? Standard. Okay, correct. At unsa pa? Standard lang yung mix. Anything about Kempinski guidelines sa ang mga rooms na have proximity sa Royal
Standard.
Standard?
Standard?
Standard lang. Okay. In this case, this is the Royal, this is the two standard, this one is the attached one, connected to standard, this one is separated. You can put the doors on the right. And then notice from the first to the top, the junior suite still in the same place. Parehas sa design, parehas sa tanan. Okay? So kung nakakadali, parehas sa furniture, anything, because sa first and to the ring of floor, parehas. Also, this executive suite, parehas na siya from down to up. Okay, wala siya difference. Sir,
Si Royal Sir, dili niya nilog yung old elevator yung
now, ang mangyari kasi ito, I don't know if it's true, dito naman ito ano, but if PC is saying, if this one is rented, automatically the whole floor will not be given tonight or ito pa annual. Will be considered loose. Ang premise ng hotel is already secured na siya. Hindi na siya, that's why really from the lobby to the reception to the elevator dapat you consider already your security. Kasi kung wala, sige ka dumag o ka ng elevator for this guy, for this guy, for this guy. Okay? That's why yung connection ng mall and hotel and then offices, these three are really I must say mid to high traffic ba. So, kailangan din yung bantayan ang connection and intersection. Okay, now, marketing wise, if you want, I mentioned kanina, they said if this will be rented, automatically this store will be close to the other one. Now, kapila man ka places in a year na this will be used. Kamay lang kayong chance. That's why nagabutang sila ng other na rooms for this floor to be profitable sa okay? So kung ikaw, nabutanan ka o Royal Suite, wala siyang other, probably half of the year, ghost floor na siya, wala yung account. Animahang ang aircon dyan, hindi na makabot, hindi makasirculate ang aircon dyan. That's why nakaka mixture. Okay? And then be careful of the mixture. Kasi nga, kanina floor is a very expensive na floor kasi higher na siya. So makita mo din ang expensive ones. Okay? So kung ibutang mo din ang standard guest room, so wala na siya yung priority sa niya. Hierarchy sa floors. So hierarchy sa expensive pwede pila ka diplomatic ninyo karon duha no? Duha. If you attach a diplomatic now, ang diplomatic pareha sa iya kung siya. Gamay na tayong chance ng year na ma-retouch. dapat mo-mix dito o something na fun. So, okay. So, here na tayo dito about how to mix modules and then yung rules na 4. Okay, another thing, if you have a service elevator, try to have in place some standard na frontage ng elevator. Ayaw mo pag-putang elevator and then umayang tayo sa frontage. It will not work. Nangagin siya standard na frontage. Okay, that is the elevator lobby. This one, diba ginata mo 3 to 3.5. This one we use before it's a 3.5 and then we bring down till the efficiency is achieved. Kanina, ay mo siya 3.1. And then 3.1, because ang napili na elevator car is pwede siya sa 3.1. Ay mga elevator na car na ang needed nila is 3.5. Okay? So if you don't have the space to give, pili ka gamay elevator car na it will accommodate what you have sa front niya. Okay? Nagkakaroon kahit selection of elevator car na 14, 20 capacity, I think more than 20 na pa. But in the range of this type of technology, 20, 14, 16 na din. Okay? I think this one is a 14, 12. Basura o ganyan. Per floor. Hindi siya per room.
Grabe man.
Talo, 6 star na yan. Talo pala.
6
Okay, this is a executive lounge. So, ang makagamit na ni either member, nothing membership, or ang iyang rent na room is can be so fast. Okay, executive lounge is 5 module. And ang function ng executive lounge is social space. Social room. Very affluent ng mga tao. Okay? So, nasa exclusivity yan eh, mga sulugan. Now, in this room, ako din siya reception area. That entrance, dito naman tayo siya from the corridor to this one is a hall entrance. Let's say waiting lounge because I think the whole space is a sitting lounge already.
What if sir, nagplana ng fair, so pwede mo let's say 3 modules sa baba and 2 modules sa taas.
Ang executive lounge? No. So, yun siya very installment way.
Grabe man.
Isang yun siya kabuan. Okay?
Sir, dito talaga.
Yes, 6. So, 5 yun siya. Lapas, 5. Actually, we're using 5 here. Okay. Now, going Going back sa interior na room, reception area, and then this one is a magbilin ka o imong code, hindi nila bitaw. Magbilin ka o anything na very important na not needed or really allowed to enter, dili lang yapon sa siya. Okay? So go through anything na maybe mas for now, this one is a boardroom, it's a meeting room, kasi nga, probably this will be used by companies or any executive CEOs and so on, para diri mag-meet. Okay? So this is the function of that. And this one is more of a social space. 4 person, 3 person, 2 person, na mag-talk lang them. Anything regarding what matters to them. Now, on the other side is the bar. So this one is more of a work-related talking. This one is another thing. So it's a bar and then they can another level of talking. More of a hindi na kayo siya related sa work.
Wala yung partition, sir.
Wala. Okay, imagine the interior of this one. It is for the affluent. Atong mga nagrenta sa diplomatic navies, the royal will come here as well to socialize. So imagine sa ang interior okay. There is a toilet as well. And then a support in the kitchen. Okay. So this one is support kitchen.